fault code reading and clearing. We'll start with that one. You will always have a freeze frame, which will show you this. Well, the freeze frame data, it will show you the status of it. Calculating component, you will see CB5208 is the component that's causing the fault code. You can click more information about the component, and you will have a system component colon flowing, all the kind of good stuff, which you can also view on a diagram. On the diagram, you will see the connection, the pinouts, the location of the part, everything needed. So you don't have to make any more wild assumptions on how to connect, what pinouts are needed. Here it is, CB5208, connecting to the main ECU. You click on the ECU, it will show you the pinouts. Back to the fault code troubleshooting. Step 1, if it did not solve the failure, we can move to step 2. Step 2 is going to give us the following checks, which we should perform. Then if it did not solve the problem, let's go to step 3. Step 3 is repair the electrical installation. And if that solved the failure, that's it. You can monitoring of live data selections or sensor connected to that model. So if you select sensors, you can watch them how they perform and react live, like this. Or you can view a system display. Fuel system and after treatment system, you'll see this is fuel system, this is after treatment. System checks, cutouts, you can start there. Cylinder cutout is going to give you a brief explanation of what's about to happen. This is a 3-cylinder or 4-cylinder, depending on what you have. Initial conditions you must always meet before proceeding to the next step. Then the option to manually adjust or test cylinders. So you literally press on and off, and that's it. Cylinder 3, turn them off, it's going to start to wobble, but you already know how it's going to react, and yeah. And maintenance, exhaust gas, filter regen. Again, an explanation of what's about to happen in the test. Here's where the filter is located. Next step, initial conditions. And the test itself. It will automatically start to enroll it. And again, it takes me a couple of seconds. This is a demo video, but once it's finished, you can expect a full overview of what happened.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-624-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.